Hey, what is up, guys? This is Chris and welcome back for more Everyday RC and the Traxxas Unlimited Desert Racer. Saturday morning here in the Everyday RC workshop, just having some coffee. Got my winter mug here because it's still cold in the northeast of the United States here in New York. So it is what it is, but I was in the workshop here last night doing some customization to it. You know, I always like to add my own little personal touch to my vehicles, and I thought since I went with the Rigid Industries version of the truck, I figured that this red carbon fiber vinyl would look really nice here on the panels. For those of you that saw the previous video, I had some sponsorship decals on these panels. They're still on here, but I reversed the panels and switched those. As you can see on the inside right there, I still have those, but just to be able to save those decals if I ever wanted to flip the panels back the other way, I just flipped them around. Added some regular carbon fiber vinyl here on the panels, and I also added it onto the front of the roll cage panels. These are non-removable, so you are going to have to make your own template and cut out your vinyl over there, but I'm really happy with how this looks. I think it really adds a cool flair to the truck, and you can see them peeking out a little bit when the body's on, and I will show you what it looks like with the body on. But I'm just going to make a quick video today, just sharing this with you, because I am going to be getting out there and doing some driving this weekend. And I don't know if you noticed, but there is an awesome scale touch to the truck. So, as you can see, I do have a light bar installed on the truck. This is, I'll give you a part number right here. This is made by Axial, and I don't know if those of you out there were ever aware of this, but I believe these are meant for the SCX-10 Axial vehicles. The part number is AXIAX31152, and this is the Universal Rigid Light Bar set. And it actually includes 3 different light bars. Okay, I went with the largest one in the kit. This is about 6 1/4 inches wide. I do not have a bulb kit installed yet. It does take 8 LED light bulbs, but I just wanted to get it on there to see how scale it looks, and I think it came out great. What do you guys think about this? I really think that the look of this light bar is the nicest that I've seen out there. I know that there's a few companies that make these LED light bars, but I wasn't particularly happy with the way that they looked, and I figured that this one is officially licensed by Rigid Industries, that it was the perfect fit for this truck. So there's a bunch of stuff they supply in here in the kit. They have a bunch of hardware, a couple of different mounting brackets. These are the mounting brackets that are going to work on the truck. You do have to customize it slightly. As you can see, I did have to cut sections of this top cage out, just notch out a little section here for the brackets to get fit onto the front of this roll cage, but that's not really a big deal. This X member right here is probably going to be available soon, and it's not that expensive, and I'm sure Traxxas eventually is going to be releasing a light bar for this kit, but this Axial light bar kit was only 20 bucks, so I figured why not just throw it on there to give it more of a scale realistic look, and I'm really happy with how this truck looks right now. What do you guys think? Looks pretty sick. So that's what I've been doing. I'm getting ready to go do some driving this weekend. I've had my batteries charged up here for the past week, been very busy with my job, and I finally have a weekend off here, so I'm going to be going down in the schoolyard, doing my first run with the truck. I have 2 4S batteries, so I'm going to be running the truck first on 4S, just to get a feel for it. And tomorrow, Sunday, I'm supposed to go out with my friend GeoStealth R1, and we're going to do a dual UDR bash. So if you haven't heard of GeoStealth R1, go check out his channel. he got the truck before I did, and I've been talking to him every day about it before I got it, and he's definitely one of the people that convinced me that it's definitely a worthy truck to get. So yeah, so I'm going to be plugging in these 4S batteries. I'm going to be doing some driving and going to be having some fun this weekend. So just wanted to make this video real quick. And I know I've seen a lot of people out there painting their fire extinguishers. I didn't go as far as painting the rest of them, but I added a little silver Sharpie to the gauge right there, just to give it a little bit more of a scale look. Makes it pop just a little bit more. I was thinking about maybe making these hoses black, maybe putting some silver on the brackets, but we'll see. This truck is going to be getting used a lot, and I've been sitting here with this truck for the past week, and I've been staring at it, and it's making me want to do some customizations here. But really, I'm going to get out there and start beating this truck up, getting it dirty. So that's why I kind of left these panels without stickers, because I'm not exactly sure how they're going to hold up into some serious condition. So I figured for right now, I'm just going to leave it like this. And that's about it today, guys. I don't want to make this video too long. I'm going to end this video with a couple of nice shots of the truck with the body on. And I hope you guys like the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this and found this information helpful. If you want to pick out this Axial rigid light bar set, here's the part number once again. And most importantly, I hope you guys are all making it happen in your RC worlds out there. And for now, this is Chris, the Everyday RC Guy, saying thanks for watching. Make it happen.